uh, for the Under Armour because I played with Notre Dame in my other one. The Under Armour cleats genuinely look better with like mid-level socks, but just in case, we'll keep that good for now. Number before this, we'll look at that afterwards. We'll keep 3 for this game. Dude, I don't even look at the blueprints. I don't even really mess with blueprints because you have to pay to get those anyway.
Yeah, you literally have to pay money to get them.
And I keep getting the same ones.
Cleared.
Ooh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my! Big time. Shit. Nice, nice, nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. When this corner route is open. He's open. Oh my God. Perfect timing throw. He just couldn't connect with it. We're on the 36. That's a deep field goal. I don't think we're...
Double tapped.
Ooh. I got it.
Yeah, finish that. Keep
I got it, Newsom.
Oh,
no, Newsom, no! You bumped me! No, that was bad. You shouldn't have gone for that when I set up a follow.
Good.
Yeah, it's fine. We're up by 2.
They missed it anyway.
Wow. Our strawberry cotton candy G Fuel. It's fantastic. I love it. So now the stream has saw that.
Newsom here.
Stuff you can't coach.
Damn it. That's a...
And the route is on. Another rushing touchdown. That's now 2 on.
It's my map, baby. Watch I say this and then just throw so hard. That would be so funny.
Been there. Do that. Even
He doesn't have that. He doesn't have that. I'm being annoying, baby. Woo! Bro said shit.
You may not caught that. Show what you can't catch.
Damn it. Alright, they got no boost in the corner. Let's see. I think finals in. All B's solid. Let's go. So at the end of like each regular season, you basically don't have to study anymore.
I'm trying. Ah, he jumped down. Damn it. You lost it? Oh no.
Yeah.
Never mind.
What? I grabbed him.
He's churning out those first downs on the ground, sort of like Arian Foster used to do. And you couldn't write the script any better. Just pound the ball, establish the run game, opens up the...
Those little slides at the end are so easy.
Oh yeah.
You just gotta not jump down there. And then just jump over right there. Yeah, he got... And we get a boost to our leadership meter. So I actually... We're taking the deal. We're signing with Ricky Slicks in Lafayette. All right.
Good clear. Oh, I wanted that.
I know.
It's open. Oh my gosh.
Go ahead. That's all you.
What? I can't even explain what they...
I don't know, dude. I don't know. Get there. Overthrow. Not good. Fire that puppy up. Bro, that was tragic, Lens. That really was tragic.
Customization are gonna change your car in a
Shit.
Jeez.
Get ready. You're not there.
Not ready.
He missed. Hospital pass. Close.
that would have been a nut shot. Holy nut.
Oh, Busco. And home slice, cuss slice got MVP.
I have to win. My brother, I have to win.
So now we only have 3 energy for this week. So this is going to be an interesting little debacle here. So we studied. We're getting 2 coach trust every week.
Gage got that thing on him.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
They
shit. I
both
didn't
going for
follow.
it. You're good.
Oh, Braden, that's your name. Fuck. Good.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of want to get it, but also, it's $70. Shit, good shots. Can't take open nets. Those are too easy, right? I'm gonna go ahead and update this to say duos. Hell yeah. We're going, hurry up. They want a wide receiver screen. You listen to Ascend by the Dew. That shit is so funny. Oh, bad's at me. I'll catch him with this screen. Nope, never mind. I don't even have anything to trade in. Frig. Alright, time to start memeing. Bronze. Not what we wanted, but that deep ball was impressive. He just couldn't come down with it, which kind of sucks. He's gonna qualify. Let's go. Let's go. Bye, everybody. Bye to all the people that just fell. See ya. Nope, it died in the middle, and he's got it on net. Fuck. Good save. Ooh.
Yeah,
Bad
dude.
touch anyway, though.
It's important whenever you have sole control of the ball, dude. You gotta go in first person sometimes. You gotta
take
go
off ball cam. Yeah.
Don't matter.
No problem.
Don't matter.
I don't want zero problem, big fella.
Muncie?
I was almost off. Oh my god, what a freaking hit. Oh, the pop-up was brutal. Tried to killing me right now. On. Alright, 2nd and goal. If my running back can get open. Right, so I'm going to post this in the chat just in case some people join. Checking my stream right now.
So the day after
Yeah,
us.
the day after we were there.
That's crazy.
That kind of makes me sad.
All right. Let me pull up. Commentate better if JP wasn't saying some crazy shit. I'm not pinning you, JP. You're not getting pinned. Just because you said that lame ass shit. All right. Anyway, like that. I mean, come on, dude. Come on. Couple guys just want to mess around. Dudes being dudes. You know what I mean? Guys joking around. Guys can't have fun anymore. Like, bumping Newsom into that.
I don't have nothing.
It's okay. That was our first game. Easy passes. Get it to the open guy. Take what the defense gives you. Yeah, catch that. He did, but he was out of that guy. The guy with the ball right now. I think he's all right.
Oh. I got it. Oh, fuck.
Whenever you said I got it, I was like, oh no.
Oh my gosh!
No way
no.
that touch goes that way.
Maybe a little bit.
What a shot. What a shot. I got a little trigger happy and hit the what a save.
Do you get that one?
I did, and I have joined.
Cool.
Here I am. Bro said Sunbelt teams, and I could not agree more.
This game.
Probably. That one wasn't as good because I didn't get that second touch.
Where are you going?
A spy on me on the last second. All right, 17. I want to play. So I like looked at the portal and see if I had any starting options or like backup options, and Kennesaw State offered me a starting position. So I was like,
oh wow.
I just read his ass.
Did. All right. Oh, go
Damn, and it's on too. Oh. It's all right. Go ahead, Braden. Oh, that's on. Good save. Great save.
I'm running on nothing.
You're good. You're good. You're good.
Nah. Ugh. Fucking team game.
What is this? Oh, you
collect
throw eggs.
Eggs to collect them.
And then we're gonna study because that needs to stay up. And then we're gonna leadership, and then we're gonna NIL. Why not?
I thought you.
I literally called it 20 seconds before you hit me. Not 20 seconds, but I called it a couple seconds, and then I was just like, I heard your boost still going. I was like, oh no. Let's go, dude. This is a great car. Whoo! Thread the needle with that one. Oh, it's going back to middle.
Look at that. Look at that back.
Nice. Good turn on that. Is that going to float? It will not.
Oh, damn.
Oh. Well, does he have anything on that?
No. Yeah, those helmets are tough.
Yeah, I like them a lot. They knew what they were doing whenever they freaking made these. All right, we'll take silver though. I was really trying to snag that gold, but silver will have to do.
Yo, Dick. Shit! Ah, shit.
Oh! I won't hit you with the seatbelt. It's close. The spin of the ball barely touched it and just made it spin a little bit more. Shit is tragic. Ooh! I'm there. My bad. It's gonna be a floater. Or not. It just doesn't float in. That's crazy. That interview had me fired up. So if the Saints can go out and get a win against a bad team with him at the helm, I think that'll be nice. Oh, I absolutely love it.
Hear me now?
Hey, chat real quick. Everyone can hear? Lindsay said she can hear. Awesome. Lindsay's way ahead of it. Lindsay's the freaking GOAT. Best city in the fucking nation. Gotta be. Where it's like unwarranted. No one knows how to drive. Keep him away from Henry Ruggs. I'm about to be best friends with Henry Ruggs on this shit. We're gonna say fuck it, we ball for this one real quick. Just kind of went over. All right, gotta hit doubles. Gotta hit doubles. Ooh, yeah, this one. Wait, hold up.
That was a good play if I kept going out.
That was a pretty good play. I was like, what the fuck? Because that pitch was weird.
Fucking pitch is weird.
Two. Oh, please be in the middle. Oh, let's go.
Oh, it's dead middle.
Please be this one. Damn it.
Yeah, that one's on my mojo. I gotta get off
that. Damn. All right. Past skeleton, we got gold. So now it's time to go get gold in target passing. Or silver, but we want gold. We'll take silver. Yeah, we're going to get that. We are going to get that because I get hit down.
These guys coming.
Nice. But yeah, I forgot his name. But I remember every time I met him, at least, which I only met. Oh, he does it again.
My teammates are just booga booga trash. Like,
Brother.
Five-play scoring drive. And finish the deal with the short touchdown run from the 2.
You got to hold serve at this point, right? You got to drive the field, put some more points up on the board. Yeah, they just scored. You can answer that now. Keep this thing close.
And I think you're used to
Knife is like Roblox.
What?
That was nuts. They both missed.
got bombed, dude.
What a save. Dude, he always is just there right before me.
What the fuck? Oh my gosh, bro.
Dude. I hope Bus is still watching. Bus LeBlanc moment.
He is. Uh-huh. That's facts. Do that 24/7.
Oh, God. I should have double.
That's what I have rolling right now. Unfortunately, can't do
Alright, I'm
that.
starting up.
But I can do this one, I think. Nice, good save. Go ahead, Braden. Wow. Knocked him. Nice.
Damn it, just a little off.
You're good.
Oh, yeah.
I'm there. Get there. Let's go. And the one right before that, the one right before those, Vanguard, those were all like horrible. And I'm sad to say that I spent too much money on. That's very unfortunate. All right, back to the pass skeleton. We're gonna try and get silver or gold here. We gotta lock in. Trying to get silver or gold. He's covered. He's there. Catch it. Come on. All right, they're gonna be mostly to this side, so we're gonna scramble out this way. Come on, come on. Catch the ball. Blocked him. He ain't got shit.
Oh!
Damn. My bad. I did not turn out the way we wanted to, but, you know, we can still get some bowl eligibility. We just got to fucking go on a run. Get out of Kennesaw State? Yeah, I know. If I get a better position, if I get a better...
Crazy.
It was crazy.
Damn, I missed off it. He's going to have a setup.
I smoked the shit out of...
Oh my god.
Damn. Braden? It's fine. I'm back. I'm back.
I'm back. Come back. All right. Ugh. Oh, okay. We all missed.
I want to play. So I looked at the portal and see if I had any starting options or like backup options, and Kennesaw State offered me a starting position. So I was like,
Fuse my right to my left, like unironically. Nice, there, all you. Oh, it might be good.
nah, he played it well.
I hit that and it goes fucking nowhere. It goes exactly where they want it to go. And he fucking...
Too easy. Yeah? What are you, stupid?
Wow. Ah, no way. Oh, fuck. Last defender. Oh, shit.
Stick
That's touchdown.
skills. Nice. Good shit.
Ah, I tried to read him. I didn't read him. Nice.
Put it down
Clear.
on his head.
My God.
I mean, they're Smurfs. We've already seen it. Guy's got a champ goal explosion, so. That was good. I like that.
Oh, this elbow fucking hurts.
What a pass. That was beautiful.
Great shot.
Because of that
I'm
nice
gonna go with the sail.
linebacker, he can get all the way to the perimeter, chase the quarterback down on the
Hold the
opposite
ball
side.
right there, so.
After losing a couple on that last play, here's 2nd and 12.
New, different, not new, I've had it for a while, but drinking a different, G Fuel tonight.
Let me get that on replay. Clip it.
I clipped that one. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. I went ahead and clipped it.
G. You gonna tear something, I'm gonna take you to the hospital.
What you talking about?
Meredith was trying to do the splits.
Game comes through, man, and we need more of that in the second half.
That was a big hit.
I
Would have probably been targeting in real life. Oh my.
Oh me.
I'm gonna be front post. They missed. Friends situated. So does this thing sound good? Sound and look good to everything? Sorry.
Wait.
It's alright.
just
They
flying.
missed two. They missed two. Go, go, go. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna let him.
I'm
What are you
dead.
gonna do with that?
Uh-oh.
Nice.
Oh, for the Takumi. Anubis. Fantastic. I do have 3 golden pumpkins.
50'd his ass.
Back in the goal.
To you. Never
Yeah.
mind.
I tried to block.
We're gonna be. Let's be 6'4", 215. Right around where Joe Burrow's at. I fuck with that. We want a little bit of arm size. We gotta go right here. Gotta go right here. Perfect. Touchdown. We're back in the game. Oh no.
Ooh.
He put it right on my
All good.
nose. Put it right on mine. Oof. I think that one might have been faster than he expected. Oh my god, tight ends on that. Oh my god. The comeback starts now, baby. We're going to hurry up the rest of this damn game. No time to be methodical.
It has the name. It's called the Bracket.
I'm gonna pretend like that's a real sentence that just got said.
Yes, sir.
Esta no problema, amigo.
You got hit too? Damn, bases loaded.
Well, that's right in the middle. Oh! I think I got disconnected. Nice. Way to stay there. I'm back post.
I ran up this right when I was gonna hit it. I love that for me.
The R2 screams. I'm gonna be on the right side.
Alright.
The ball, that's all that matters. Oh, that's easy. That's easy. We back. We back, baby. Those wheels suck. Anyway, let's open the next item. Those wheels suck too. Alright. I'm no longer back.
Oh,
That is
there's
no
way
longer
to
good.
That's high. That's
I went up to
low.
block. No one was there. Ouch.
My bad.
Is it working? Ooh. Oh, damn.
Same idea.
I can't get there because both of y'all were still on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I said just be go up. But
Oh, I didn't hear you. My bad.
I'm lost for words. Oh shoot, Newsom, we gotta get...
I got it. Oh,
show
no,
him.
you got it.
It's on.
Show him I can do it. Oh my god. There we
Oh,
go.
we finished it in for you.
Early goal.
Bow. I keep trying to demo people and I'll drive up.
Have the mechanics right to have that be a pop. So that's all that was.
Nice, good touch. If you can get back to that, that'd be beautiful. Ah, it bounced. It took the bounce that I didn't want it to take.
Oh my gosh.